Okay, so I have been working on becoming more frugal, and I'm about to refinance my property and get some more cash, but I have a lot of debt to pay off, and there's just going to be kind of a tight budget. And I really want to save again for retirement, even though I'm sort of in semi-retirement because my investment property pays me money. So I put money into something that pays me money, so I mean, it's still work, but it's not like I go to a 9 to 5. So anyway, I've been on and off the minimalism journey for since 2008. I started learning about financial literacy, and I read Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, and I learned how to retire early with that book. And I love that book because it talks about energy and like how much of your time a thing will cost based on how much you make. And so now when you look at things, it's not just that thing. And TikTok is notorious for trying to sell you stuff. You don't need any of that stuff. What you need is a cool life that you don't have to escape from. And let's not buy a bunch of crap. And I'll tell you from somebody who has bought a lot of beauty supplies and clothing, none of it really made a difference. Hair dye, doesn't really make a difference. Honestly, my hair sucks and super dry now. I prefer my natural color. I paid $500 for this and I don't like it better. And why? Why? And if you don't think you're lovable because of the way that you look, maybe you should change the people around you. Maybe. Although look, we're all getting there. I am not perfect. I'm saying this for myself, not really for you. So don't take offense. Okay, so on groceries in the month of November, I spent approximately $640 plus going out to eat only $27. That's actually really good. I have told myself like a few months ago I'm not going out to eat. The $27 is actually for my kids. Starbucks, though, we go once or every other week. We have a breakfast at Starbucks. Normally it's the Friday they go back to their dad. We go to Starbucks and celebrate and have like a fun breakfast. But that was $41.34. Doesn't seem that much now. Clothing in the month of November. I spent $354, and that does not include the thrift store, so it's higher than that. Now here's the one that really breaks my heart. Amazon. $890.49. And I can tell you like 2/3 of that was groceries, but 1/3 of it was just a bunch of BS. I have taken Amazon off of my phone. It is only on my computer. I have to order directly from it. And really, like, if I cannot justify it, if it's a hobby, the answer is no. I have like 3 hobbies waiting for me to start up crafts. And until I complete those and or feel satisfied with getting rid of that stuff, I'm not investing in any more hobbies. I do love to shop. So right now, my shopping therapy is done at the thrift store. I can now only go if I have a coupon, which means I normally have to donate something. Um, and I'm on paper a millionaire. Just need to say that out loud. And these are the economic times we live in, guys. We cannot just be buying willy-nilly with whoever's selling whatever. Don't buy a course. Don't buy all the stuff. I pay for YouTube Premium, and I can learn anything I need to learn on there. And TikTok is amazing too for learning. Obviously, I'm here because I'm not all there. But yeah, so frugality, minimalism, financial independence, less is more, happy, joyous, and free. You don't need that stuff. You're in the right place.